In today's video, I'm going to teach you Freshsales CRM tutorial for beginners. Freshsales is a sales-focused CRM from Freshworks, and it helps you manage leads, contacts, accounts, deals, activities, emails, calls, pipelines, workflows, and reports all in one place. If you're just getting started, this walkthrough will help you set up the basics clearly and simply. First, log into your Freshsales account. Before doing that, make sure your account has already been created so you can access the main dashboard without any issues. Once you're inside, go to your profile. This is where you can update the basic information connected to your account and business. When you're new to Freshsales, it's a good idea to keep this setup simple. Try not to create too many custom fields right away. It's better to understand your actual sales process first, then customize the CRM later as needed. Next, click Edit Profile. In this section, enter your work number, then your mobile number, followed by your company name and job title. After that, add your Facebook URL, LinkedIn URL, and Twitter URL. These social profile fields can be useful for business visibility and branding, especially if your team uses social channels for outreach or credibility. Once everything is filled in, click Save to keep your changes. After that, go to Users so you can start adding team members. Click Add User, then type in the user's first name, last name, and email address. Next, set the role for that team member and click Add User again to finish creating the profile. Once the user is added, click Add Account. Then select the account, choose Freshsales, and set the account admin as agent role. After that, click Confirm. This helps make sure the team member has access to the correct Freshsales environment with the right level of permissions. Now go back to your profile and open Personal Settings to connect your email. In this example, choose Gmail, although Freshsales also supports other providers like Microsoft Outlook, Zoho Mail, and others. Select the account you want to connect, then click Continue through the authorization screens to complete the email integration. Connecting your inbox is important because it allows you to manage communication directly inside the CRM. Next, go to Contacts. Here, you can create contacts manually or import them from an existing file. For this example, choose CSV or Excel. Freshsales also allows imports from other platforms like Pipedrive, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, and Insightly. Click Next, choose Contacts, click Next again, then upload your file. After the file is added, click Next, and then click Import Now. Once that's done, you can begin building your sales pipeline, creating deals, email templates, reports, custom fields, and workflow automations. As a beginner, focus first on mastering leads, contacts, accounts, deals, activities, workflows, and reports. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.